Welcome to our channel. Today, I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on your phone. SAMSUNG Galaxy XCover. Five, we start by needing a special square-shaped brush with longer bristles, about 2 centimeters in length. Let's begin. The brush won't reach all the way to the end of the port. In addition, we need isopropyl alcohol, 100%, so it will simply clean the port for us, meaning so that it reduces the dust, allows the dust to soften so we can remove it, and then it simply evaporates, leaving absolutely no trace of it in the phone. If we don't have a specialized brush, we can use a toothbrush, but it needs to have medium or soft bristles. If the bristles are hard, you'll end up scratching your phone, so there's really no point in using one like that. Once we have everything ready, we moisten the brush with alcohol thoroughly so that it's wet. We take the phone in our hand here so that it's visible so you can see what I'm doing. And with a steady one-directional motion from top to bottom, we swipe about 10 times. Then in the other direction, from bottom to top, also about 10 times. So that all the dirt comes out of the socket. We repeat this action 5 times, meaning 5 times down, 5 times up, 5 times down, 5 times up. But as I said, always in one direction, because otherwise you'll just push the dust back in. You'll soften it a bit, but you won't actually get it out. To check later if the socket is properly cleaned, you can use a special plastic tool, which I'll show you in a moment. After cleaning with the brush. And this dust is now softened, so we can use this special plastic tool. We have it in different colors. I'll show you the white one now. It's 3D printed. Just a piece of plastic. You can buy it on Allegro, Amazon, and so on. This specific tool is used so that after you have thoroughly softened the accumulated dust with the brush, you carefully insert it into the port and slowly slide it from one end all the way to the other. And then you gently pull it upwards to finish. If there's any extra dust, the tip is specially pointed for that purpose. It would pull the dust out for us. It works without any problems, and we would have a fully cleaned port. We don't have that here. Our port is relatively clean, at least cleaner. It's now cleaner after just using the brush than it was before. So when you try it yourself, do it in every direction. Above the port, under the connector, go over it in every direction, up, down. Then you can be sure that there's nothing left in the port and it will work properly. After finishing, put the phone aside and leave it for about 10 minutes so everything can evaporate from the phone, and only then can you turn it on and use it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate some likes. Thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions, and see you in the next video.